What's good? What's good? Welcome back to Invest and Trade with Jax. Hope you're doing well. We're going to go over our friend Solana. Recently locked in some juicy gains on a trade I gave here in the Discord. Just on 2x leverage, 51% gain. Locked in those profits here. If you want my trades, it's $10 a month. You can sign up through the Patreon link. So currently we're sitting at 35.41, down 6.7 on the day. Basically took profits right before the drop. Sitting in market cap of 12.47 biggie. 24-hour volume 1.76 billion. If you're new to BitGet, make sure to sign up, grab up to $8,000 in bonuses, make your first deposit. No VPN required for my US traders. Email me your sign up email. All links in the comments. Free access to my Discord of over 2,000 members. So let's hop into the charts. So with the Elliott wave count here, what I'm looking at is a wave 1 to the upside. This is a wave 2. And you're looking to push up in a wave 3. Now, this 5-wave move may already be complete here due to the deepness of this wave 4 pullback. If we take a fib retracement from the bottom of wave 2 to the top of the wave 3, as you can see, we're right now maxing out the wave 4 at 34.49. So if we do start to break below this, what we could be looking at here is that this is our wave 3. Your wave 4 was right here, and you already completed the wave 5. As you can see, we just shot up, so it's hard to count a 5-wave move. But as I've always mentioned, the micro counts, the smallest wave counts, can be inaccurate. So if Solana bounces from here, we are trending towards oversold once again on the hourly, then we can push up in a wave 5. To give you that target, take your trend base extension from the bottom wave 2 to the top of wave 3, bottom wave 4, and you would have a target of about 39.87 for a wave 5. Now, if we do retrace deeper, then what I'd be looking at is the 5-wave move is already complete, and you're looking to come down basically in a wave 2 pullback. Oops, and that would take you down here from the bottom of the wave 1 to the top of the wave 5, take you down in between the 0.5 and the 0.786, which is currently sitting at 34.24, 0.786 at about 31.86. Push up in a wave 1, wave 2, and then push up in a 3, 4, 5. To get the measurement for that larger wave 3, take your trend base extension from the bottom of wave 1 to the top, bottom of wave 2, which is right here. And this gives you your wave 3 target to take you up to about 44.47. Now, if we are pulling back currently in a wave 2, then we might see an extended wave 3. Because what you'd be looking at here is this is the wave 1 of the wave 3, wave 2, wave 3, wave 4, wave 5, where we can see that wave 3 push a little bit higher, which is definitely possible if we have a strong impulsive move here. But if we do bounce from here, then what you'd be looking at is a wave 3, wave 4 pullback, looking to put in that final wave 5, but all the way up to the 1.618. Now, wave 3 doesn't have to push all the way up to the 1.618, but as you can see, that would be a rather large wave 5. So there is a possibility if we do continue to sell off here that that 5-wave move is already complete, and you're looking to put in that wave 2 pullback before pushing up in a wave 3. So if we simplify things here on the daily time frame, we're just about to print the bullish cross. So what could be happening here is we're coming back down to the EMAs. We print the bullish cross. As long as we hold the EMAs, we can see that continuation to the upside. I do think there's a good chance of this rally continuing. And of course, Sol has been moving quite strongly, which is great to see. So if we can hold the bullish cross, that is a sign of strength. And we could definitely see continuation to the upside. As you can see, we trended all the way up towards overbought on the daily, and on the 4-hour time frame as well. We're very overbought, so healthy to see this pullback right now for Solana. So the key levels to watch, we do need to see a bounce from this level to maintain this as a wave 4, still looking to push up in a wave 5. But if we do start to break below about $34 here, then what I'd be looking at is your wave 1 is already complete. You're going to pull back in a wave 2 in between about $31 to about $34. Push up in a wave 3, 4, 5 to complete that larger wave 3. And if we zoom out to the daily time frame, there is potential for the bottom being in for Solana. Wave 1 down, wave 2, wave 3, wave 4, wave 5. But if we were just to see a rally roll over and create a lower low, then what I'd be looking at here is that all of this was part of the corrective wave 4, which is possible, and you're still going to come down for a lower low in a wave 5. It's still on the table. If Bitcoin were to put in a lower low, that's what the scenario we would have to look at for Solana, but we'll see how everything plays out. Just locked in those juicy gains on our Sol trade. Only $10 a month for early access to my analysis, as well as my exact entries, exits, and take profits for my trades. And if you sign up to BitGet, make your first deposit, email me or sign up email. Free access to all chat rooms of over 2,000 members posting chart patterns, talking all things crypto. You really can't beat it. All links and email in the comment section. Hope you have a terrific Sunday, and I'll see you in the next one. Much love. Take care.